There are so many plants in the plant world that I simply love, and I find it really difficult to be able to control myself to say what I should and shouldn't be planting in my garden, simply because I need space. But you know what? There's always more room for one more. Folks, literally, this used to be one plant, and when you buy a borage plant from your local garden centre, it'll be probably in a little pot to have 2 or 3 leaves. That's all it looks like. It never has flowers on it. The plant life cycle of a borage is about 3 to 4 months. When it dies, it spread all these seeds in this garden bed and then just started its life cycle again. Amazingly, borage as a herb, the bees just love it. It's one of their most delicious, favoritist, ultimatist, awesome flowers. You can see already around me here, the bees are going bananas. They're loving it, they're getting all the pollen in their faces. Having this plant here encourages and helps the sustainability of a whole lot of other plants in my garden. So, borage grows up, gets to about 1 meter in height, will flower, but just look at the blue. Guys, look at the blue in that flower. That blue is so unique. And the way the light catches, the little hairs on it, is amazing. The other important thing is that because the leaves are quite hairy, have a look here. You can actually feel the hairs. Because they're quite hairy, it tells me a few things. Number one, that this plant is incredibly drought resistant. It's also wind resistant because the hairs reflect the sun rays, and also the hairs help to buffer the wind as it's hitting it. Besides the beautiful flowers, what I do love borage for is the fact that when it dies down and I've shaken the seeds out, I can take this plant and throw it on my compost heap, because borage is one of the world's natural compost activators. Just amazing. So you put it on and it activates your compost and makes more compost quicker. So get it out there, guys, and plant it. It is incredible. Please don't go into a garden centre looking for a plant like this with flowers like that. You're not going to get it. Oh, and before we go, another great thing to use the flowers for: break them, pop them into salads, completely edible, all right? Great in ice cubes, summer drinks, gin and tonics. You know what I mean? Go out and get it.